Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your email from your Outlook, software. Depending on your Outlook version you have, I have an old version, but almost all Outlooks have file, okay? You access your file, go to account settings, okay? The arrangement of these Outlooks may kind of differ depending on the version, but still you can always find where there's account settings. Okay, you click on account settings. Okay, now I have like two emails I'm using for demonstration in this video, so I'm going to delete one because I no longer need it on my laptop. So when you click on account settings, you're going to locate the email. This is the one. Okay, you click on it, then you're going to look for options saying remove. So you're going to click on remove. They're going to give you a warning. You want to continue, I'm going to say yes. Then you realize actually here on the left side, actually it has gone off, okay? So let me cross this. And that is how you can actually remove an email from your Outlook, okay? If you are interested in videos like this, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.